The rapid development experienced by most modern societies imposes a high cost to the environment. One of the most encumbering factors is industrial waste. Even though Greece generates 350,000 tons of hazardous waste every year, there is no effective waste management program in place. Most of the hazardous waste is disposed of locally, subject to minimal or no control, irreparably polluting the country's soil and groundwater, the rivers and the sea. Polyeco was established in 2001 by Environmental Protection Engineering to engage the management and valorization of all types of industrial waste in an environmentally friendly manner. Among the cutting-edge European business enterprises in its field, Polyeco is the first and only industry to be fully licensed for the integrated management and valorization of industrial waste in Greece. Polyeco undertakes the planning, management and safe final disposal of the entire range of industrial waste, offering reliable, financially viable and environmentally friendly solutions to industrial enterprises. Polyeco's state-of-the-art facilities in Aspropyrgos and Thessaloniki were designed and operate according to strict EU environmental regulations, while its subsidiaries in Pristina and Skopje offer environmental management services to the ecologically burdened Balkan countries. The company's sophisticated laboratory can quickly and reliably analyze all types of industrial waste, enabling it to offer waste management services in assisting the segregation, classification, and valorization of waste. Polyeco applies innovative methods and procedures aiming to the reuse of both hazardous and non-hazardous waste through the reclamation and valorization of their component materials. In the facility's production lines, instead of being disposed of in an uncontrolled way, industrial waste is converted into raw material for industrial use, commercial byproducts and secondary fuel, substituting imported primary fuels at competitive prices. Continuously expanding the range of waste to be treated, Polyeco is setting up pilot programs for the safe management of waste by smaller enterprises, while it is a leader in the collection of batteries and fluorescent lamps. Polyeco undertakes the immediate removal of industrial waste from the producer's facilities, activating skilled personnel and specialized equipment. When collected waste cannot be treated in the facilities due to its constituents, it is temporarily stored in the company's fully licensed storage facilities, unique in Greece, and is then shipped to accredited disposal facilities within the EU. Services provided by Polyeco are always followed by documentation certifying legal waste management, which is authorized to be used if required by any local, national, and European authorities. Polyeco consistently applies a quality control policy aiming to achieve the maximum customer satisfaction, optimum system and process output, and the establishment of long-term relationships based on confidence towards customers, suppliers, and society as a whole. Polyeco's customers include the leading industrial enterprises from all major production sectors in Greece. A large number of public and private companies, demonstrating a higher sense of social and environmental responsibility, entrust Polyeco to handle their waste in the most appropriate and environmentally friendly manner. As a responsible corporate partner, Polyeco responds to the challenges of our age, combining environmental conservation with long-term sustainable and profitable growth. Through consistent investments in facilities, equipment and know-how, Polyeco is creating the infrastructure required to safely manage and valorizate industrial waste within Greece and the Balkans. Having the safety of its employees and safeguarding of public health as its main priorities, Polyeco develops state-of-the-art anti-pollution technologies while complying with stringent regulations and constantly updating its personnel on safety issues. With their responsible actions, creative participation, expert know-how, advanced skills and personal sensitivity, all the people in Polyeco contribute daily to the shared vision for a clean, healthy and beautiful natural environment. Polyeco plays a leading role in all endeavors to sensitize public opinion and the business community on crucial environmental issues. The company supports sports activities, promoting good sportsmanship and fair competition, and is widely recognized for its environmental conservation initiatives. Protecting the environment is the sole option when it comes to safeguarding the quality of life of the present and the future generations. Modern business enterprises, as socially responsible agents of growth, must take the initiative and, in partnership, actively support the global effort to rationally manage waste. Polyeco, faithful to its vision of sustainable and responsible growth, plays a leading role in this effort, developing the infrastructure and know-how required to provide legal and environmentally appropriate solutions to industrial enterprises in Greece and the Balkans.